It's good, y'all.
What's up?
Boys of the South or Smoky Flint Films, dude. I don't know. We got to figure this name out, but you got Marion right here. Boys aren't here right now. She's gonna be riding with us a little bit. Need to go. Find my gloves. I think they're in my room. May just give the camera to Marion. Yeah. Just give me enough energy for the ride today. It's good, y'all. I started a video 2 or 3 days ago, and never quite finished it. So I'm gonna just start a new one. May put some clips I had from that old one into this new one, but as of right now, I'm looking for the GoPro. Well, I can't find the GoPro, so I may just have to get someone to record me. You got the big back right here. What I need to do is may just ride the pitter for now. Just good time on it, you know. Let's do it. Wheeled it across the tabletop. That was pretty cool, but we didn't get on video before we tried to get it. That's how you get her done right there. Cut it. Yeah, so that's pretty much all the video. Man, it wasn't very good. We're gonna have to step up the vlogs here soon, but just stick around. They'll get better. Promise you. Peace out.